Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble from Center Fresh. First, unwrap a single piece of Center Fresh gum. Place it into your mouth and begin chewing. Chew for about 1 to 2 minutes until the gum is very soft and smooth. This ensures it's ready for shaping. A well-chewed piece of gum is key to a successful bubble. Now, use your tongue to flatten the softened gum into a thin, even layer. Spread it against the roof of your mouth, aiming for a circular or oval shape. This flattened base is crucial for forming the bubble's wall. Think of it as preparing a canvas for your masterpiece. Make sure the gum is about 1 millimeter thick. Next, carefully push your tongue through the center of the flattened gum, creating a small opening. Now, slowly and gently blow air through this opening. As you blow, the gum will expand outwards, forming a bubble. Control your breath to make the bubble grow steadily. Aim for a smooth, consistent airflow for optimal expansion. Keep blowing until your bubble reaches a satisfying size, perhaps 3 to 4 inches in diameter. To pop it, simply close your mouth or gently touch it with your finger. Gather the gum back into a single piece and you're ready to try again. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't huge. Enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.